Graduation season's here, and if you're not selling printables for it, you're seriously missing out. In this video, I'll show you how to make quick and easy graduation designs using Templett. No fancy design skills needed. Let's pick a design real quick. Okay, this is the one. Alright, so first I'm just changing the name. Super simple. Click, type, done. Here I'm swapping in a photo. Just drag it in and resize it a bit. Now I'm switching the colors to match the school. You can grab the exact ones or just pick whatever looks good. Templett makes it really easy. And then you can move a few things around if you want. Totally up to you. You don't need to download anything or mess with complicated software. Just hop in, customize it, and it's ready to sell. And the best part, your customer can edit it themselves after purchase. If you want to start selling these today, hit like, subscribe, and check the link below to try Templett. Make it once, sell it over and over. Easy money, especially during grad season.